Oh, two Steamdecks. One of them has a defect in the fan. It's whenever it starts from 0, there's a strange zip noise that wasn't never present in the LCD, and I want to show it, a proof of it. Let's first check the LCD. There will be a small whoosh sound when switching the updated ventilator controls. Let's try it. Three times. Whoosh. No issue there. Okay. In comparison, when we check here, it will be very noticeable. Let's check the OLED right now. The whoosh is much quieter, but that wasn't the issue. The issue is the sound at the beginning when the fan starts running. Listen to the zip sound. Again. And again. As you can see, the fan definitely has something wrong with it, and I think that's a defect.